So the first thing I'm gonna take is this Glamorous Aqua Perfect Primer. This is a silicone based primer, so I'm gonna just apply a generous amount of it onto my face all over. After this, I'm gonna do my brows, and for the brows I'm going to use this Christine brush and a brown eyeshadow. And here I'm gonna fill in my brows really quick. Then I'm gonna use a spoolie to brush my eyebrows off. Here I'm done. Then I'm going to prime my lids with some Christine waterproof foundation stick that I'm going to use later on my face. Here I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Then to set it up, I'm going to use a white powder. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this orangey kind of color, and I'm going to use it as a transition color over my lids and up to the crease. Then I'm going to use a small brush, and I'm going to use this rust color, and I'm going to line it over my crease. It looks like a little bit harsh right now, but I'm going to blend it really well so that the line doesn't show up. Okay, so here after blending, I'm going to use that same rust color, and I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that same color onto my crease and blend it inwards. Then with the clean blending brush, I'm going to blend it all over my crease and going to do my other eye too. Then I'm going to use a black eyeshadow, just a little bit of that, dusting onto my outer corners of the eyes, and just going to blend it really well so it doesn't show up that much, and so that there is no harsh line or anything harsh something. After that, I'm going to use this Revlon Not Just Nudes palette, and I'm going to use that brown eyeshadow, light brown eyeshadow, onto my eyelids over my crease. Just going to blend it everything really well. Then I'm going to take these copper colors, which are a little bit of shimmer, and I'm going to apply onto my lids, inner corners and all over my lids. Then to show off a little bit more of its glitter or shimmer, what you can say, I'm going to use these 3 colors and I'm going to mix them, and I'm going to apply these shimmer colors all over my lid where I've applied the copper one. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner of the eye and a little bit of my eyelid with a white eyeshadow shimmer. Then here I have done my eyeliner, mascara and lashes. I've gone for like simple lashes and not so heavy. And then I have applied this Christie's waterproof stick foundation in shade Ivory, and I'm just going to blend it really well with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Then to set everything, I'm going to use this Rija's loose face powder, which is a translucent powder, and with a fluffy brush I'm going to brush it all over my face, neck and ears. Then I'm going to take this Christie's contour kit in shade 2, and I'm going to mix those 2 colors, and I'm going to contour my face really well and let it really light, because I don't like harsh contouring, and everything is up to you as you want. Then I'm going to contour my nose with the smaller brush. If you want another video for contouring, like the nose contouring and highlighting, do let me know in the comment section below, so I could make another separate video for that. Then I'm going to do my blush, and this is L'Oreal Libra. So this is L'Oreal Elite blush and shade Coral. I'm just going to add it onto my face. Then I'm going to use this Huda Beauty 3D palette, highlighter palette, and but first I'm going to spray my face with a rose water, and then I'm going to apply that Fuji, I think I have pronounced it right, it's the yellow shimmer in this sand palette, and I'm going to apply it with my fingers at the highest points to get the maximum effect. Then I'm going to use this Kiss Beauty lipstick in shade Peach, and its number is 15, and I'm just going to apply it onto my lips. Just going to set my face with a little Kiss Beauty setting spray, and here I'm done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, then please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and do let let me in the comment box below what you think of this look. Bye.